Come test drive the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, tow hitch, traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, heated steering wheel, fog lights, security system, rear window defroster. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.